Hey everyone, this is my teaching philosophy, and here are a couple highlights I wanted to share from it. To begin with, I wanted to read this first paragraph where it says, I believe that a classroom should be a safe and caring environment for all students. I thought it was important for me to include that, as I myself always want to be in an environment where my surroundings are those that I know are safe. I know students will probably not think much about their surroundings, but I think it is important for them to always feel that they have a safe place. Along with that, I also do want to make sure that my students know that they are smart, that they are cared for, and that they can accomplish anything they set their minds to. I believe that words of affirmation should not just be something that you tell yourself, but it should also be something that you tell others. If you let the students know starting at a young age that they can do anything that they set their minds to, or that they are cared for, or letting them know that they are smart, they will empower those words. And words of encouragement can be so powerful towards a person's development and day-to-day life. Another thing I would like to highlight from my teaching philosophy is a paragraph, the third paragraph right here, where I state that I don't believe that a test on paper determines a student's understanding on a subject. I wanted to include this because I do feel that tests oftentimes can trick a student, and realistically it does not define their level of smartness or their level of understanding. I feel like if a student is able to show their accomplishments through a portfolio, then it demonstrates what they have learned. Not only that, but also having little chats after each quarter or after each subject with the teacher. It can demonstrate to the teacher what the student knows. Lastly, the other thing I would like to highlight from my teaching philosophy in this video is my main goal as a teacher. My main goal as a teacher is to be someone students will remember many years from now. I know that there's a lot of people who remember that certain teacher, and the reason why is because that teacher created some sort of bond or did something specifically throughout their school year that really made a difference in a student's life, and I wish to be that kind of teacher. I also stated towards the end of my teaching philosophy that I don't want to be remembered as the teacher who is fun, but rather the teacher who cared for their students, who cared for their academic development, and also the teacher that believes that they are able to achieve anything that they can set their minds to.